All right, so this morning you saw us sort horses horseback. Now that we got them to what we call the headquarters place, it's smaller pens, little tighter quarters. We get off afoot, and our process is we send them down this alley, and we're gonna say rodeo or bye. Rodeo, they go in this pen here, bye, they go right on by us back out to the pasture. Let's get started. Kijac, and this is TK Pro Rodeo.
The wildest show in the West.
Yeah. So here we're just gonna ease these horses out into the alley. They're gonna kind of wad up in the corner there. First one finds it, and they'll follow. Now, all of these horses have a little bit different personalities. So some of them naturally want to come back this way, and some of them you can stop with a flag. Some of them aren't as easy to stop. So here we go. First one's gonna be a bye. Bye. So when I'm sorting, the difference between rodeo and bye is I'm just communicating with my guy that's running the gate. If he's gonna catch him in the pen, we call that like the go pen, the rodeo pen. They're going to the rodeo. Bye just means right by on down the alley. Rodeo. 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 All right. So the 4 horses that we have caught here are going to the PRCA Extreme Broncs in Pawhuska, Oklahoma this weekend.
Well, here comes Stat the Right! Come on, Davey, let's do it!
The remainder of those horses are going to get turned back out to grass, happy and healthy. Hit that like button, go ahead and subscribe while you're there. Look for us in a town near you. TK Pro Rodeo, the wildest show in the West.